Finn the fox hops by the river. He sees sweet berries across. Close up, Finn's nose twitches. Yum, yum, berries! Oh no, the little bridge is broken. Finn tries to jump. Splash! Too far! Barnaby the bear stomps over. I can help. Barnaby pulls a big log, so heavy. Coco the cat brings strong vines. Pull, 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 the log slides into place. Tie, tie, tie. Coco ties the vines tight. Everyone pushes together. 1, 2, 3. The bridge is done. Finn hops across. Hooray! They share the sweet berries together. So good. What can you build with a friend today?